Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, February the 23rd, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside, and we can see the current candle has made a lower high and a lower low. We can also see that the size of the body of this candle is substantially smaller than the body of the previous candle. That represents, even though it's red, it represents the sellers making net bearish progress, but they made a substantially smaller amount of net bearish progress than the previous day. So that does set this market up for a potential change of trend to the upside. We have a long shadow on the bottom of this candle, and the market that shows the market testing support down around the 1300 level, which was previous resistance, and a round number. Round numbers are very significant to financial markets, and that's exactly where the support came in. So that represents buying coming in. So it tells us that the sellers have actually lost commitment. So at one stage when the sellers were trading down around that area, they were fully committed to taking this market lower, but they lost that commitment. Now, by the same token, however, the buyers have not found any stronger commitment than the sellers, because the market's closed in the middle of the range, and that denotes neither side taking control of this market, and at the close of trading, neither side really showing any firm commitment. So that really says something about the lack of strength of the bears in this market. The trend is down, we have to remember. So it means that the bears aren't terribly strong in their support of this trend to the downside. So that does set the market up for a potential change of trend to the upside again. So we do need to watch the high of this current candle, which is at 1317, 1318 for a potential higher high and higher low. Now, the market is trading up above the cloud, so we do have this overall positive bias, and we can see that the market's been above the cloud for quite a long time. We have a very, very bullish market. The market is trading just at the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is pretty much neutral in the medium-term time frame. It's not trading above or below. If it was trading above, the market would be bullish, below would be bearish, but we're neutral, so that could be significant for this market. We can see here previously that the market tested support at the Kijun-sen when we had a very similar trading day to the previous trading day, with a very large red bearish candle, and we found support there, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. The market failed to close substantially below that Kijun-sen, so we could see the market rally as we did previously. This could be a swing low in a higher time frame, second time frame uptrend. Now, the market, however, is trading down below the Tenkan-sen, so the market has a negative bias in the short-term time frame. But we can see here, if we look back here, that's exactly what happened previously, so we might be expecting the market to rally from this area. It's been quite some time since the market was trading down below both the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and that we only had that one close down below the Tenkan-sen previously. Now, if the market does maintain its close down below the Tenkan-sen and trade lower, and certainly below the Kijun-sen, then there is a possibility that we've had quite a change of sentiment in this market, so we do need to be aware of that and on the lookout for that. If the market does test the 1300 level again and successfully close above there, below there, that could be significant for the market. And if we have a bearish close below there, it could be even more significant. We might see the market testing lower levels. Now, we do have potential support down around 1276 at this swing low, then certainly down around 1272. And we have a minor swing high around 1295, so we could see potential support around there. And certainly we have potential support down at the top of the cloud, which is roughly down around 1270. So obviously for the next day's trading, the 1300 level once again becomes very important for the market. The area around the Kijun-sen is very important, but by the same token, the area above the high of the current candle, which is around 1318, and then certainly we do need to watch the area around the Tenkan-sen around 1321 for a potential swing back up to the upside.